Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the brand new Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer by Fenty Beauty, and I have received this beautiful package. So if we open up at the top, guys, we can see that we've got the Pro Filter Foundation, which we already know exists. I think they've actually released more shades in this. And then we have the brand new concealer as well, which I'm really excited to try. So in the bottom half of the package, we have a compact mirror. We've got two of the brand new Instant Retouch setting powders in cashew and also banana. We have some sponges in these boxes here, and then we also have some brushes. Just really quickly as well, this is going to be an honest review. It's not an ad. I did receive this product via PR, but I really wanted to give you a truly honest opinion. What works, what doesn't work. Is it a thumbs up? Is it a thumbs down? So by no means am I obligated to like say anything but my own opinion. I haven't watched anyone else's videos either because I don't want to be like, I don't want to be, what's the word? Swayed? I don't know what the word is. Oh, influence? So I haven't watched anyone else's video reviewing this product because I didn't want to be influenced at all, okay? So I'm going to use all of the products in here, every single one, sponges, tools, everything, and show you exactly what I think about each and every product. So without spending any more time, let's get straight into the review, guys. Really quickly as well, in the booklet, it has some really cool information. I actually like it when you get a PR package and there's concise, like very small bullet points of information, which I feel like Fenty always does right. Like one of my favorite brands is Fenty Beauty just because the PR packages are amazing, the formulations are amazing, and all of the shade ranges are just like out of this world. So the Instant Retouch Concealer comes in 50 shades, and if you're a 340 in the foundation, you'll be a 340 in the concealer. But they are slightly different tones, I've been told. It's a little bit lighter to help brighten up that area, but they will complement each other. There are 10 more shades in the foundation, which has been added, and there's 8 shades in the powder. I'm so excited. I've been waiting such a long time to review this. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start off with our tools, and I've just gone ahead and dampened the sponges. So you get one of these. This is the normal face one, which I've used before, and then in the other box was these two. So what you can see, which is really cool, is that you've got the standard kind of like sponge shape where you can apply your foundation, and then you've got some nice edges to it as well if you want to bake, if you want to get a little bit more precision in there. And then you've got these two super cute sponges. I don't really know how to use them, if I'm honest with you guys. They've got this like cute little white base, but I'm definitely going to try them out and have a little play. Hopefully I will do them justice. I'm always up for trying out brand new little like tools and stuff, and maybe like even get better at my application and do like a better base. So I'm going to be using everything in this box, nothing else. All I've done off camera is just applied some primer and some lip balm. That is it. Yes, it's very scary being in front of the camera with very little makeup, but we're going to go for it. So what's really nice is that Fenty have sent across 4 different foundation shades. I already kind of know which shade I am because I was shade matched. If you're not sure, I'd probably say, because there's so many shades, go to the nearest counter. The one in London is in Harvey Nichols, and get color matched because you need to make sure that it's the right shade for you guys, and especially because it's a full coverage foundation, so we don't want that line, okay? What's really nice as well is that they haven't sent across all the foundation shades, because although that might be great for some people, for me personally it's such a waste where I'll just use my shade and then I never know what to do with the rest of the shades. So it's less wastage. The PR team have been so amazing to put in what shades they think I am. Usually I use 290, so I'm gonna go in with the 280 just because we have the correlating concealer that goes with it. Alright guys, so we already know what the foundation looks like. It's been around for quite some time and I do use it all the time, so just make sure you shake it really well. It does give you more of a full matte finish. I haven't tried this shade before, so hopefully it's nice. I'm gonna go in with 1.5 pumps, and last time I filmed a YouTube video I looked so brown, and now I don't know what I've done, but I look really pale. We are playing with new setups. Maybe it's the lights, I'm not sure guys. I forgot what I did last time already. Okay, so we're just gonna literally apply this foundation all over. I'm really gonna take my time to just really bounce the sponge onto the skin and create a very nice even complexion. And then if you need a little bit more product, then go for it. This is much better to go gradually than just going for like 5 pumps straight away. Even though you might think that's quicker, you'll just get a better finish layering up little by little. We are going for a second pump here. Ooh. So this is definitely quite a nice shade. Like, I actually really like it. I've not tried this one before, but it's really nice. Okay, so I think that is looking pretty good for me. Obviously, I haven't done my brows or anything, so just ignore that part. Oh no. Was I meant to apply this with a brush? So there is also a brush that comes with the foundation where you can just kind of buff it out. But personally, I'm just so used to using a sponge, so I forgot about that part, sorry. Okay, so next up is the concealer. Woo! Okay, so next up is the concealer. I have to say, concealer is probably my favorite product of makeup. If I was going to be a makeup product, I would be a concealer because I use it every single day. It helps me hide my imperfections, my dark circles, my spots, my blemishes, the lot, pigmentation. I'm obsessed with concealer, and I've probably used almost every concealer out there in the market. So let's see, is this gonna be good? Is it gonna be good? So the applicator is a nice small applicator that seems slightly kind of peaked. A nice amount of product comes out. So I'm going in with straight application on the face. And normally I would apply concealer also like here and here. And then I would go in with my contour on the darker parts. Oh, I wish I got a darker shade now for the contour bit. That would be cute. So next we're going to go in with this brush, and it's the Precision Concealer Brush 180. And we're going to buff that out. Alright guys, so we are going to go ahead. I never normally do this, right? I'll just normally go in with a sponge because I feel like I'm going to go in with a sponge anyway, and I don't want to get a brush dirty because then I have to clean it. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and tackle the forehead. Okay, and we are going to go in with the other side now. Don't forget your chin, guys. Yes, my chin. Okay, so first impressions, I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty impressed. I personally feel like I didn't put that much product on. Normally I have to go in with 2 layers. And yeah, I'm kind of liking it. When I first applied it, I was like, oh, this is maybe a little bit too light. But it's definitely growing on me. I'm going to blend it out with that small sponge. Just because I like... That's what I normally do anyway. Oh, nearly dropped it. I wish I got a darker one now for contouring. But yeah, guys, I have to say, I'm actually like quite shook. I'm actually quite shook. I'm not even going to lie. Wow, okay. Wow. I'm actually really impressed with this formulation. Usually, yeah, I would go in with a lot more concealer. But I'm gonna just put a bit more on that area where I feel like there's still a tiny bit of darkness. It's very smooth. It's not cakey. Maybe the brush is doing it. I don't know. Guys, I'm really impressed. I'm actually really impressed. Alright, so moving on, we have the 2 Instant Retouch setting powders. They are a really nice big chunky size. Really impressed. I have the shades Cashew and Banana. I think I'm going to go in with Banana because it sounds yummy, and I normally like that little bit more yellow undertone. This is what it all looks like. What I really like is the details as well. It says like FB Fenty Beauty. What? Beauty. What? Which I'm a total sucker for branding, guys. I think those little touches make it super cute. Okay, so now I'm going to tap some of the powder onto the lid, like so. We're going to use this to bake, and there is a brush that comes with it. Normally I would, again, use my sponge, but we're going to use all the brushes provided for this tutorial. It is a very nice, soft, domed brush, a little bit more loose. Good for applying product and maybe dusting off product as well. Guys, I'm going to try and use the sponge, trying out new things, you know. Okay, I'm also going to use the other sponge. Maybe that might be better. Man, we went there. Maybe a bit too much product. This is where you look kind of crazy. So guys, key things that I look for in a powder is I want a really nice, fine, very smooth powder which doesn't go chalky and that doesn't give flashback. And I also don't like it when it kind of collects in just dynamic areas of the face where you might get a little bit more wrinkly. Recently, I haven't really been baking as much actually, if I'm honest. I've just been kind of like applying powder. So I'm not going to go crazy and leave this on for too long because I feel like it's already a matte foundation and I normally like more of a dewy finish. So far, color-wise, it looks really good. We're going to go ahead with that brush. I'm not sure if it has a fragrance, you know. And we're going to pat that off. I actually really like that little sponge. I really like this actually for applying this area here just on the nose because you get more of a snatched nose. So we're just going to take that off and have a look at that. I'm then going to go in with that same brush just on the lid, pick up the excess. We're not going to waste here, guys. We are not going to waste. And I normally just go ahead and apply it on the rest of my face like so. Okay, so I'm going to have a look a lot closer. It is good. It's actually really good. Okay guys, so here we are. We've kind of got 3 different products. We have the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. We have the Instant Retouch Concealer, and then we also have the Instant Retouch Setting Powder. All 3 products use face. I have to say, I actually really like it. Normally, I'm not even a huge fan of like matte finishes. I am gonna go ahead and finish off my makeup off camera. I'm gonna apply all the different layers that I normally do and then come back to see how they all sit on top of each other, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I went ahead and applied some mascara, some bronzer, a lip product, brows, that's the one, and also some highlight. So looking at how everything is sitting at the moment, I'm actually really impressed. I love the color. I actually feel like well done for getting my color right, because I definitely feel like my color is not the easiest of colors to find. And also I love the way that the color coding is just really simple. So if you already have your Fenty foundation, you know what color you're going to be in the concealer, and it's going to help brighten it up as well. So I want to rate this out of 10. It's actually really hard. I feel like I've been giving everyone such high scores recently. Probably going to give it around about 8.5 out of 10. It's really good. The only thing bad I have to say about, I don't have anything bad to say about it. Nothing. I don't know. I want to give some criticism, but I don't know. I actually don't know what to say, guys. I literally feel like it's an amazing formulation. It really complements the foundation. I feel like I'm giving away so much love right now, but you can see it yourself. I'm really impressed. I feel like it's cleaned up my under eyes in a really nice natural way. I also did leave the concealer on for a little while just to kind of see if it set really fast and if it went dry and flaky, because sometimes that is the case, and it didn't do that. So yeah, it's a thumbs up from me, guys. It is a thumbs up. So I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. You know, do it. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you actually think about this. What do you think? Like, do you rate it? Have you used it before? Would you buy it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments box below, and until next time, I'll see you soon, guys.